Hi everyone, welcome back to TechWall, and today we are reviewing the Micromax in 2B, and we will be reviewing the Micromax in 2C. So stay tuned for that. And Micromax in 2B is released on was released on 30 July 2021, and the phone comes with a 6.5 2-inch touchscreen display with an aspect ratio of 20:9. Micromax in 2B is powered by the octa-core Uni SoC T6 610 processor and comes with the 4 GB of RAM. The Micromax in 2B runs the Android 11 and is powered by the 5000 mAh battery capacity. As far as the cameras are concerned, the Micromax in 2B on the rear packs a 13 megapixel primary camera with an f/1.8 aperture and a 2 megapixel camera. And this phone is supporting or sports a 5 megapixel camera on the front for selfies.
Yes, so when we go for the next one, which is basically we are going to be knowing about the Android 11. So basically, the phone has more and is based on Android 11, and also we're going to know about the storage, which is 64 GB of inbuilt storage that can be also expanded to via micro SD card, which is means 256 GB with a dedicated slot. The Micromax in 2B is a dual SIM that accepts nano SIM and nano SIM cards. It was also launched in a black, blue, and green colors. When we go for the connectivity options on this phone, we get to know that the connectivity options on the Micromax 2B will include Wi-Fi 802.11a by b by g by n by ac with a GPS, which is also having a Bluetooth version 5.00 and a USB Type C with an active 4G on both SIM cards. Sensors on the phone include accelerometer, ambient sensor, proximity sensor, fingerprint sensor, and also the Micromax in 2B supports face unlock. As of 19th August 2021, Micromax in 2B starts at a 7,999, which is 8,000 rupees. If you guys want more tech videos like this, you guys have to subscribe, like, comment, share, and turn on notification, because if you guys turn on notification, you guys will get notified when I send a new video. And also, you guys have to share this with your friends, family members, everybody guys know. And also, my name is Anas.
My name is John.
We are Tech World signing off. Bye bye.